Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Rayne Ventures. I'm Bailey Rayne, and today we are at the Ijams Nature Center in Knoxville, Tennessee. So it has lots of different little areas, great for kids. Has a nature environmental building that we will go in, and they have some cool birds outside and the cages that's been rescued, so that's neat to see, and it's on the Tennessee River. So that's what we're doing today, and this is right next to Meads Quarry, which if you go back in my hiking videos, you will see that somewhere there. It was one of my quarry videos, like my first quarry videos, but now I have like 3. But anyways, so this is in the exact same area as that. My friend Morgan is going to be joining us today, so yay! And without further ado, let's start this venture.
There would be and that's also 350.
Hey, pretty hawk. Tigger. So pretty. Yes, you are. There's a whole bunch of carpenter bees trying to kill each other in front of me, and I was trying not to get taken out by them. There's like 4 on top of each other, stinging each other. Poor things. Don't know where the tarantula is. Trying to find critters. Oh, it's a big rat snake. It's tucked away. Nobody home. Fishy. Say hi. Hey there. Sleepy turtle. Hey guys. Say hi to the camera. Morgan's decided to join us. Here she is.
Hi. That's good though. Those are red.
She's naming the birds. So this is a whole tree climbing course. that you can do where you strap in and book it. And I don't know how much it is. I haven't looked in a while. I feel like it was somewhere between 50 to 100. But I don't know what that all includes. But yeah, so that's pretty cool that they offer that here. It's all the little tree stuff. Pretty cool. Rocks are slow. Yeah, me too. I don't remember, to be honest.
Was it like over 100?
Yes.
Okay. Less than 200?
I don't know. I have a video on my paddleboard, by the way. So, if you're curious of buying a blow-up paddleboard, I'm sure I mentioned the price there. I think I did mention the price there, so I'll have to watch my own video. So, in this area, normally there's a truck parked, and they have kayak rentals and canoe rentals. So there's a launch a little bit up ahead, which we will get to in a minute, and you can go into the river and float around. Obviously, I don't know what else you do. What is that, carpenter bee, I think?
Yeah.
We're here. He's an expert, guys. Oh God, no. Well, sure, if you want to freeze. Ew, that's yuck.
Might catch something.
Cave. Little indent of cave. Ooh. I just had a bug land right on my face. We've hit a dead end. I think the last time I was here, it was like that too. Oh, goose. Goose, goose. Wow. Every time I click record, she's pointing out bee, cardinal, goose. That's okay. So we're gonna have to backtrack and find another route for you guys to film. There's lots to film here, fun little areas. So back we go. Are you okay? Oh. She walked to the sidewalk. Patriarch H.P. Ijams originally built this spring-fed pond in 1922. As the story goes, he wanted his 4 daughters to avoid the currents of the nearby river and have a safe place to swim and paddle their canoe. It was a family gathering place for decades. As with many man-made ponds, nature slowly reclaims it. Today, it is reverting to a natural wetland complete with water-loving plants and animals. This is a little random, but another fun fact that I learned was dragonflies actually start as larvae in water, and from the time that they're larvae, they start eating the larvae of mosquitoes, and then when they grow and start flying, they then continue to eat mosquitoes. So their whole lives, they eat mosquitoes, and that's why dragonflies are so essential to the environment in any pond. And now let's watch Morgan not fall. Keep going. Don't fall in the hole.
These are kind of slippery.
You got this. You're a dancer.
Am I?
Yeah.
If I turn out, I don't. Whoa.
Do you got it? You're almost there. Are you? He can't stop laughing now. She did it. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's hiking video. We are going to go have a cider here at Barrel Gypsy Circus Cider Place. And just relax a little bit. It is so peaceful and so wonderful being out in the woods, being by the river. It's a really nice park. It's perfect for anyone at any ability. You can bike ride, you can run, you can walk. Great for the family. I do know they hold a lot of events there. So it's just a really neat all around park to go visit. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and comment. What do you think of the park? Is it somewhere you would take your friends and family? Anyways guys, I will see you all on my next venture. Bye guys.